Welcome back, ducks. We missed you. Are you gonna go fly away now? Don't do that. Hi, buddies. Hello, hello. By the way, that land, that sand was never here before. It built up. It literally built up. The line was right under, but now there is this land. So the little duckies can enjoy it. Hi, duckies. Go, 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 go! Yes! Love yous! Amazing. I love Silver Lake Park. By the way, this is Silver Lake Park. It's on both sides. Let's see if they have the... Oh my gosh! It built up here too. Hello, fisherman. That's crazy. It was never here. I swear it was never here. Beautiful. Beautiful.